high ticket affiliate marketing can be very profitable and scalable if you do it in the right way, because if you are promoting small ticket products like $10 or maybe $15, then you will need lot more number of sales to generate decent amount of revenue, probably $5,000 or maybe $7,000 or $8,000 or any number, because for low ticket products you will need to sell multiple products, multiple services, whatever you are promoting. But in this case, if you are promoting high ticket product which has a high and strong strong backend product, then it is easy, extremely easy to generate good amount of revenue, generate good amount of sales. And in this particular video I will show you my personal ways how you can select a high ticket product, and I will also show you what product you need to choose. And it's a basically 3-step formula. Number one step is you need to find high ticket product, which I will show you. Number two, you need to create a landing page and create autoresponder sequences, because you cannot send mails every single day. It's an automated process, and I will guide you how you can do that. And there are plenty of resources how you can create autoresponder sequences and how you can create landing page. I'll also guide you how you can drive traffic. This is step number 3. So number 1 step, you need to find high ticket product. Number 2, you need to create a landing page and create autoresponder sequences for that particular product. Number 3 is driving targeted traffic. If you can do this 3 thing in the right way, then no one can stop growing in affiliate marketing business. But before that, those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh, and in this particular channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, creating passive income, and how you can create multiple sources of income for yourself. If you haven't subscribed, make sure smash the subscribe button and also press on bell icon, so that whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. So without further delay, let's jump in. Alright guys, so Legendary Marketer is one of the product which is paying me high commissions, and it is a really good product. I have personally joined this particular program, and I have also personally purchased some of his courses. I will guide you how you can do that, and their entry point is only $7. So the entire funnel I will show you what the particular product, how Legendary Marketer, and the founder, his name is Dave Sharp, who is extremely genius in the marketing field, and he is earning in millions every year. And he is a great visionary person, and the training and the kind of quality he has given in this particular training, in the particular course, that is extremely fabulous. And you can say people are learning, people are implementing, and people are making very good amount of revenue from this particular program. This is a system where you can add all other affiliate program link also, and you will be able to generate multiple other different commissions. All right, so Legendary Marketer, this is just a $7 program. This is their front end product. And if I just talk about their I have purchased their 15 days business builder challenge, and this is their entry point of this entire funnel. And in this 15 days they have given huge course. You can see all the day number 1, day 5, 6, 7, every up to day 15 it is unlocked for me, because I have purchased and I have went through the entire training process. This is a fabulous. Anyone who has not earned any single penny, or maybe who do not have any idea about digital marketing, who do not have any idea about affiliate marketing, or maybe if they knows also the amount of money is not reflecting on the bank account, I highly recommend you to join this particular program. This is a 15 days challenge, 15 days program, and just $7. I will give my affiliate link in the description of this particular video. I highly recommend you, because nothing will happen in just $7, but at least you will be able to learn lot more stuff in this particular training. This is a 15 days training. And day number 1, they will make you understand the principle, the art and science of a high ticket consulting, how high ticket business. And in the day number, you can see the duration of the video is 51 minutes in the day number 2. So all the videos are highly valuable. Day number 2, they have given 45 minutes of video. Day number 3, and simultaneously, if you consistently do this work, like day number 1, day number 2, day number 3, every day they have a different set of assignment, different set of tasks. And also in the in the day number 1 itself, you can just schedule a call. So they have some people in the team, they are known as advisors. So if you have any issues, maybe if something is not working for you, maybe you need more clarification, you can schedule a call. You can simply schedule by clicking over here, and they will give you entire cheat sheet, entire documents, every single thing whatever you need. They have also private Facebook group. If you want, you can join and you can ask for support. But for me, if you personally ask me, I have contacted through their advisors multiple times, and they are really genuinely helpful to people who are really willing to put their hard work into the business. And again, in the 15 days business builder challenge, you will be able to learn lot more thing. If you are kind of a person who do not know anything about affiliate marketing, or maybe you have some idea about digital marketing but you do not know how to work, and if it is not working for you, then you should definitely join. So in the 15 days business builder challenge, this is just a $7 product, and as they have mentioned, it is a front end product. It's a one time payment of $7, but I highly recommend you to just join this 15 days business builder challenge. And if I just give you the high ticket product, what they have in the back end, all right, so the in the back end, let's say the small product, this is business blueprint starter package, that is $2,500, that is one time. And business blueprints with mastermind, they have it's a charge of it is the cost of $4,500. There's a high ticket product. And business blueprint with coaching, that is $9,500. So understand, you can earn huge amount of money because they have back end product in the system. And $2,500, 2,000, 4,500, 9,500, this is a pretty big ticket, high ticket product, right? So you do not have to sell, you just have to drive traffic to the people to buy the small front end product, that is $7. 15 days business builder challenge. And in this 15 days business builder challenge, they will also guide you how you can promote their product, how you can build your funnel. They have given their funnels, you can just simply import on it on your ClickFunnels account. So this is pretty much what you have to do. So if I just give you the overview of referral plan, so they have subscription basis model. So you will get commission of all subscription for entire product, 60% flat rate. For their courses, you will get 40% of commission. For entire courses, for their mastermind and coachings, you will get 30% of commission. So you can understand, let's say for example courses, so if anyone is buying $2,500 course, and if you are generating 40% commission, so probably in just one sale you will be able to generate at least $1,000. This is huge, right? Maybe if you are planning to if your goal is to earn $10,000 in a month, then it is extremely easy just by making 10 sales. And again, you do not have to sell, you do not have to do it from your end. You just have to drive traffic to their small front end products, and they have back end team, they have sales team, they will do the rest of the work for you. You do not have to worry for anything. So this is a huge amount of commission. Every single sale you can make at least $1,000, $2,000, or somewhere up to 5,000, depending upon the number of people you are able to drive into their system. This is the person Dave Sharp. And in the $7 you will get 15 days business builder challenge. Day number 1, it is already given, and you just need to watch the videos and implement. This is all what you have to do. So what day number 1, day number 2, day number 3 is the entire thing, it is also already given. So you just have to watch this video and you just need to take action. And if you need any help, you can schedule a call to that advisors, and they will definitely help you. So you have to follow this, and by the end of this month, by the end of this 15 days, you will be able to create your own business. This is designed in that way. All right. So also they are providing bonus, various of bonuses, customized high ticket business builder plan, then Facebook ads template, then high ticket email templates. And email templates are very good. I mean, it is highly converting. And then high ticket video scripts, what how you can create videos, or maybe how you can grab the attention of the people. So it is extremely important. And they have given high ticket phone scripts. So these are all I mean bonuses what they are providing. So in just $7, everything, the entire value of the particular product is $3,576, which you are getting just for $7. All right. So this is pretty good product. And as I said, I highly recommend you this particular product. This is 15 days business builder challenge. So within this next 15 days, if you start from today, within next 15 days you will be able to create some business. At least you will be able to set up your business online. And on the day number 16th you will be able to start driving, and they will also guide you how you can drive traffic, how you can set up entire thing. You do not have to worry for anything. So they have given the entire links of the funnels, the affiliate link, I mean the sales page link, then opt-in page link. So simply you can copy and you can just import on your ClickFunnels account. So how you can, this is the overview of the product. So you know the product. The next thing what you have to do, you need to have a landing page software. So ClickFunnels is a software which I highly recommend, because I also personally use this for my business. And pretty much my you can say my entire lead generation process is handled by this particular software ClickFunnels. And you can start with 14 days free trial. I'll give you the link in the description. And you do not have to create the landing pages and all, because they have already provided. So simply you just, if you click on here in the resources tab, so you will be able to see all the share funnel links. So simply you just can you just need to import this funnels into your autoresponder, sorry, into your landing page builder software, that is ClickFunnels. And they also provide autoresponder sequences into their resources section. So you can simply just pull up all the high converting emails just to promote this particular product. All right. For automation and autoresponder, I recommend GetResponse, because I personally use GetResponse, and entire of my email marketing system is dependent on GetResponse. And highly I recommend this particular product just because of the delivery rate. All right, now you know what is your product, what you have to promote. The second thing, you can build your own funnels, because they are already providing the funnels and autoresponder. The next thing is what you have to do, you have to drive traffic. Though in the 15 days business builder challenge, they will show you how you can drive traffic and how you can create multiple sources of income inside of this particular program. And this is the reason I request you to go for 15 days business builder challenge. To drive traffic, I highly recommend you to go for Udemy, or Udemy is a very good place to buy solo ads, or else you can just go with YouTube advertising. And again, you do not have to create videos for to promote this particular product, because they have already given the videos. So instead of, you can either way use YouTube videos, or you can go for Facebook ads, but I highly recommend you YouTube videos, or I mean YouTube ads, because it is converting very well for me, to be very honest. All right, I hope I was able to give you overview how you can start with high ticket affiliate marketing. And again, in this particular small video, I won't be able to share each and everything, and this is the reason I highly recommend you to join 15 days business builder challenge. And within 15 days you will be able to create your own business. This is very important, and it's just $7. You can just invest $7 in your learning and to create business for yourself. All right, and again, if you have any doubt, if you have any concern, let me know in the comment section below. And before just going, if you haven't subscribed, make sure just smash the subscribe button and also press on bell icon, so that whenever I release new videos, I can send notification to you people. So till then, thank you so much for watching this particular video. Have a great day.